Every year across the country and internationally, 600,000 students participate in the SIFMA Foundation's stock market game.
I learned a lot about diversifying bonds, stocks, mutual funds.
We learned that stocks go up and down daily. The highlights of our stock market game experience was teamwork and following the news in our portfolios.
In the stock market game, students are given $100,000 in virtual cash. Their goal is to use that money to create a top-performing investment portfolio containing stocks, bonds, and mutual funds.
So I started with $100,000 in my account, and now my total equity is $100,789.06. I've made a little under $800 in about 4 months.
One of the greatest things students learn from participating in the stock market game is not only about the idea of finance and research and looking into companies that they are relating to and that they are familiar with, but they learn cooperation, they learn collaboration, and they learn great leadership skills because they're working together as a team to make decisions that is going to benefit them in the long run.
He had chosen a AR, an augmented reality stock called NVIDIA, and wrote a paper on how it was going to be the next up-and-coming hot stock. Had my husband proofread his paper, and my husband decided that it was something that he should invest money in just to teach him a lesson on how the stock market really works. Well, 6 months later, he's up about 10 grand.
InvestWrite is an innovative national writing competition that serves as a culminating activity for the stock market game. It adds another critical thinking component and reinforces long-term investment planning. Nationally, 20,000 kids participate in the InvestWrite competition. The program is supported by hundreds of SIFMA member firms all around the country, and thousands of their employees give up their personal time reviewing the InvestWrite essays that students write.
So even my students that aren't up here aren't winners, really every student I have in my classroom is, because they gain such a tremendous amount of knowledge.
It's better to know early, I think, because most likely you will invest when you grow up, and it's better to know when you're 9, like I did last year, than when you're 30.